bottles of water and water. Okay. And then place this over there. Then the petrified wood. One here, one there. You let me know whether you want me to get for you or you check over the net. Okay, let me know. Almost go until as much as possible. So as I say, it's much better to choose a good place to start with rather than choose a place first. You know, that's why a lot of people believe feng shui. I say actually buying a good. Of course, there's no 100% perfect house, you know, because there's so many factors affecting. But choosing a good or a near perfect house to live in is much better than to buy any house and then come and feng shui. Okay, because especially if you are in a bad luck cycle, the chances of you liking a bad luck cycle house is always there. So if you are able to choose and break the pattern, it elevates your so-called the bad side to a more good side. You balance up. You know, better to choose the correct one first, and then after that, okay, the fine tuning in terms of feng shui much easier. It really enhance it even further.